Today, former President Donald Trump back in a New York courtroom for the second day of his civil fraud trial. In this case, the New York Attorney General claims the former president and his two adult sons exaggerated their business assets for years. This comes as we've learned within the last hour. President Biden's son Hunter has pleaded not guilty on federal gun charges. This is a lot to cover, so NBC's Bree Jackson is standing by in Washington with the latest.
Former President Donald Trump is accused of inflating his assets for years in order to reap financial benefits. Former President Trump expected to return to a New York courtroom today, where he and his lawyers are playing defense.
Because I want to watch this witch hunt myself. I've been going through a witch hunt for years. This is really now getting dirty.
On Monday, Trump blasted the case against him, the judge, and New York Attorney General Letitia James. She's accusing the former president, his sons, and the Trump organization of exaggerating the value of his real estate properties, including Mar-a-Lago, in order to receive better loan terms from banks.
My message is simple. No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
James is seeking $250 million in penalties from Mr. Trump. In addition to financial losses, analysts say losing this case could come with business consequences.
His two adult sons will be barred for life in New York of ever being an officer or director of a company.
This civil trial is just one of 4 criminal cases against the Republican frontrunner. He claims no wrongdoing and calls the charges political retribution.
What we have here is an attempt to hurt me in an election.
Legal woes playing a role in the 2024 presidential race. The former president's trial comes on the same day as President Biden's son, Hunter, is expected to appear before a judge in Delaware on federal gun charges. And former President Trump's no jury trial in Manhattan is expected to last about 3 months and will be decided by the judge. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.